Oh, I forgot to show you guys while I'm in the truck. These are all my gauges, right? So I've got my oil gauge and my water gauge, my voltage up here, my RPMs, which I have to rev up to 1,000, which is at the 10, my speedometer, my primary and secondary air gauges. That'll help me keep my trailers at the right temperature and the pressure right. And then this is for the, I don't know what that's for. Oh, actually, I guess that's my fuel. So anyway, the rest of it, these are my brakes, the emergency brakes and the air supply, and my parking brake, my trailer brake, air conditioning and radio, all this good stuff. There's lots of cabinet space up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. There you go. And then back here, this is a trainer, so we've got 3 seats back there. And it stands way over 6 foot tall, so anybody can stand up and have plenty of room, which is really kind of cool. So anyway, that's the inside of the cabin. Again, there's somebody backing right now. They're in my class, they're just on a different team. So anyway, have a good one. Talk to you soon.